Have you seen the viral video or videos? There are tons of them. I don't know who came up with the idea, but there's tons of them out there where they make smash burgers with the using tortillas. I'm gonna do that. They call them taco burgers, I think, something like that. But anyway, they're really good, but I'm gonna do them a little differently. It's not gonna be like a taco necessarily. It's gonna be a little different. So stick around and see how we do it. Welcome to Keto Journey with Mike. I'm Mike, your reformed fat man. So what I've done, let me put it down here where you can see. I've taken the little small street taco size and I've smashed out a burger to where they go with it where it's same size. I've gone a little bit bigger than the tortilla. So that's how I'm doing it. Now watch. Oh yeah, hear that sizzle. I've got a griddle here on my stove top that I bought. Let me wash up my hands here and see if I can get. Well, let me see if I can get the other two on here. Yeah, I think I can. I think I can get all four of them on here. Yep, I think we're good. I've got it on a medium heat, a little less than medium actually. Now I'm going to wash up my hands here. And we're going to let her cook. And then we'll flip them. And I will season them then. But this is kind of a different take on it. It's a little bit different, not a lot, but a little bit. I'm going to use it like a bun. Y'all see me make these and use these as buns, and that's what I'm going to do on it this time. And I'll probably do double-decker hamburgers, two of it per burger. Try to use a leaner meat on this so it doesn't shrink too bad. A little bit high right now. I've got to turn it down a little bit. I don't want it to overcook real quick on this. So just got to cook all the way through before you and turn it over and kind of get the tortilla browned. So she's off to a good start. I'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, so they're getting done now, so I'm going to try and dry up some of the fat that's on here so they'll crisp up pretty good.
There you go.
Okay, so the lovely Miss Page has graciously graded us a taste test for it. Now, you've had that before. That's just the cauliflower
Okay.
faux tater salad.
Looks delicious too. Oh my God.
And then the other is
Yeah, what is this?
that is a double cheeseburger, but with bacon, double bacon cheeseburger. And I did it in the TikTok viral video style, which there are tons of them out there, people doing them. So I have no idea who did it first. And it's, you smash it out onto the tortilla. They do it in a taco.
Smash the burger? Okay.
Until it fits the tortilla. They do it as a taco burger. I did this as using the little street tacos as the bun. Instead of they use the bigger tortillas, I use these, and because they're much less in carbs.
Oh, this is perfect though. Anything bigger would have been too much.
That's
for
what
me.
I thought.
Yeah.
So that's it, and you cook it with the tortilla on it, and on one side, and then turn it over, and then cook it on the other, and it crisps up and all. This meat had a little bit more fat in it than I wanted, so I dried up the fat to make it crisp up a little bit. So dig in.
Thought you'd never say that.
I think it crisped up nicely. Did it crisp up?
Another fantastic.
All right. Excellent. There you have it, folks. And you've seen, she'll tell you the truth. If she don't like it, she'd let me know.
Oh, yeah.
So, till the next time, this is Mike, Keto Journey, saying, let's be careful out there.